Konnichiwa to my kimono wearers and friends. We've finished with Nozawa and are now in Kanazawa. In Kanazawa you can get your dose of Japanese culture without the crowds of Tokyo, Osaka and Kyoto. Today we're kicking off with Kenroku-en and Kanazawa Castle. It feels like stepping back centuries, just with better snacks and fewer incurable diseases. Kenroku-en is one of Japan's 3 great gardens. The name Kenroku-en means Garden of the Six Attributes: spaciousness, tranquility, artifice, antiquity, water sources, and great views. The garden is filled with peaceful ponds, winding paths, tiny bridges, perfectly shaped trees, and tourists who are in awe of their surroundings. The garden is said to be enjoyable whatever the season, just like hamburgers and onigiri. It's 320 yen to enter the garden. Money well spent.
Kanazawa Castle.
Neighbouring Kenroku-en is Kanazawa Castle. The castle dates back to 1580, a time of samurai and war. Kanazawa Castle is famous for its impressive white walls, elegant gates, and wooden reconstructions.
It's Robbie.
At a minimum, it's worth having a wander around the castle grounds. For a few dollars you can get access to some of the castle buildings, but we've got more to do. We're off to Omocho Market in the next vid. Thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!